Hello everyone, welcome to the new session where we are now going to see how to set up a AWS free tier account in a Sensimple way. Our journey so far has been where we have completed the 100,000 feet view of knowing data science and machine learning. We have also seen a 50,000 feet view of the foundational terminologies that we need. At the 30,000 feet view where we have completed a local installation of Anaconda, a quick introduction to Jupyter notebook and a quick introduction to Spyder and PyCharm as well. In this session, we are now ready to set up the AWS free tier account. So it's time to let's go to get into the garage and let's get started by setting up the free tier account. Alright everyone, let's go to the browser and in Google, let's search for AWS free tier. Let's click on the very first link, start with a free tier account. Let's click on create a free tier account. And when you are signing up for the AWS, you would need a mobile number and a credit card or a debit card number because AWS want to make sure that it's a human who is trying to sign up instead of a bot. So this is very much needed. Don't be worried about putting your credit card information because this is just for the sake of knowing whether you are a bot or not. And you won't be charged for your credit card until you use the services. And at the same time, since this is a free tier account, initially for 12 months, we are not going to get charged for almost any of the service that we will need in this tutorial. Let's start with the very first screen. Here it says root user email address and an AWS account name. Root user email address, you might want to put any email address of your choice that you will be using to work in AWS SageMaker account. I'm going to put my email ID over here and we will say verify email address. Alright, it seems that the AWS must have sent a verification email. Let me quickly go and confirm that verification email. Okay, on your email you must have got a verification code. Let's put that and say verify. Alright, it says the email address is verified. Alright, let's put in the password. Continue to the next step. Alright, there are some questionnaire here. Contact information, how are we going to use it? We will click personal for your own projects. We would put our information over here. Okay, let's go to the next step. We are going to put our credit or debit card information over here. As I mentioned earlier, there will be enough notifications for us before even a single cent is charged to us. So don't worry, but this is very much needed. Otherwise, we won't be able to proceed. Okay, after putting in your credit card information, it will ask to confirm your identity, primary purpose of account registration. You can say personal use or academic, whatever you like. Ownership type, you are going to call it individual. It's gonna ask you few details to continue registration that will continue to put. Alright, in the next stage it is going to ask for a verification. So we are going to put our mobile number here. Okay, we have now received a text message. So let's put the verification code and continue. Alright, on this screen, you are going to ask for a support plan. Make sure that you choose the basic support free. That's all we will need to continue our learning journey. And just click complete setup. Congratulations! We have now completed the AWS sign up process. We are absolutely ready now to start coding in AWS SageMaker. It is getting so interesting now. See you in the lab, everyone.